Hey guys, today I wanted to do a review and packing video on the Happ brand Levy backpack. The Levy comes in 3 different colors, a black, dusty rose, and a denim color. And for the longest time I could not decide between black or dusty rose. And I was so worried that I made the wrong decision, but you guys, I'm so happy I went with dusty rose because out of the box, this one surprised me the most. It really grabbed my attention. It's a lot more beautiful in person and the color is just perfect. It's a true dusty rose color. I think it's kind of like a muted mauve color. It's a really beautiful neutral rosy pink and it's just wonderful. Here in the front of the bag is the flap, and this part is my favorite part of the bag. Really beautiful in person. I love the pleated look here, and you guys notice there's like this little drawstring, and you could even cinch this in more if you wanted to give it a different look, and it's really beautiful and different. The Levy backpack does have quilting on it as well. It's a beautiful herringbone pattern, and the way that it's quilted, it has this really nice 3D effect to it, and it's just so nice to feel. It's just, I love it. The Levy is made out of a nylon material. It is water resistant, and the bag is not machine washable. You guys notice with the backpack here, you do have 2 side bottle pockets. And you guys can see also with the bottle pockets on the side, you do have that really nice quilting. And in here, I have one of my daughter's funtainer. And on the other side bottle pocket is my oldest funtainer. These pockets are really nice, really have a nice stretch to them. They are not insulated, however. And this is the back of the bag. There's a really nice top grab handle. It's made out of a seatbelt material, and it has a really nice thickness to it, and it feels so sturdy. I really like this grab handle. And the Levy is a backpack style, and here are the straps. They are very wide, they are padded, so they are nice and cushy, and they are super duper comfortable to wear. It never gets heavy or digs into my back or shoulders, and it's really nice. And at the bottom of the straps, you guys see here, the rest of the way is the seatbelt material where you can adjust the straps, and this glider, it just glides up and down really easily, no problems there. In the back, you also have this magnetic pocket. Really enjoy the magnetic pockets that Happ makes. Really strong, always finds its way back and can shut on its own. This is where you can store the changing pad that is sold separately. I believe you can even get a pink one that will match with the bag itself. But in here, all I have right now is a princess coloring book and a sticker book here. We have animal stickers, and you can create your own scene with them. And also what I like to put back there is the messenger strap that the bag does come with. It's this beautiful dusty rose messenger strap that is the seatbelt material, and the messenger strap has this really nice gold swivel clips, and they can attach to the D-rings at the side of the bag. And you guys, I have to say, wearing the Levy over the shoulder and messenger style is surprisingly so comfortable. The straps never dig into my shoulders, it doesn't get heavy, and it doesn't feel awkward to wear at all, especially with the thicker backpack straps that aren't removable. It's still so comfortable to wear. And it always surprises me because, you know, this is a bigger bag, and when it's packed up, I kind of expect it to be heavy, but it's not, and that's the beauty with Happ brand. They make wonderfully light bags. It's incredible. This, I believe, only weighs 1.9 pounds. Super duper lightweight. Now the Levy backpack, you see, you do have this flap here. It's not a button flap. You guys can see at the side, it is a zipper opening. So you see how the flap kind of goes over the main zipper of the bag, and it actually goes over this front pocket here as well, just a little bit. Here are the zippers for the main compartment. You do get 2 zipper pulls, and they are really beautiful gold, and they do say Happ on there as well. Really beautiful, really nice sturdy zippers. Now we're gonna open up the flap and see what's on the inside. The flap just lifts up over like this, and it actually can just go behind the bag just like that, and you guys see the beautiful inside. The interior color of this bag is just a beautiful dusty rose too. I love it. Right here in the front of the bag, you have a zipper pocket. It's a really nice long pocket. It is kind of flat, but surprisingly, it does hold quite a bit. You have these really cute like leather trim as the zipper pull. It's really nice. And there's this cute little button that says Happ on there. And you guys, I really appreciate that this is made out of the leather material, and the main zipper is this hardware one. It makes it really easy to reach around and know exactly which zipper and which pocket you're actually opening. So I really like that. In this front pocket off to the side, I have my keys here with little Princess Belle. Love her. And it can fit my full-size wallet here that I have. And behind my wallet, I have my phone. And I think the pink all together is just so beautiful. Next, I'm gonna talk about the flap of the bag that is actually a pocket in itself, and it's really cool, really unique. You guys see here, it's a see-through mesh pocket, and you guys, the options of how to pack this pocket is endless. I've put wipes in there before, a change of clothes, my tissues and my sanitizer in there, and I also think it'll be great for bibs and burp cloths too. But right now I'm kind of using it as an extra mommy pocket for myself, and it is fantastic for that because you see here it is see-through, and all of my little lip products, it makes it so easy to grab the right shade that I'm wearing for that day. So you guys see here, I have a bunch of my lip products in that pocket, and also right beside that, I have a little pouch, and in here basically are a bunch of hair accessories, and also we'll put feminine needs in there too if I need it. So now we're gonna talk about the main compartment of the bag. You guys see how big this bag opens up, so you can see everything on the inside when you're packing it up, and also when you're reaching in there to grab something that you need. There's also the see-through mesh here. It acts as a catch-all, so not only can you still see what's inside of your bag, this prevents your items from falling out. So this is a really nice little touch to the bag. I'm gonna show you guys how I have my bag packed, starting with the center part here. I have my daughter's jacket slash raincoat, and in front of my daughter's jacket are these can-do wipes. I'm currently using these kind of like hand and face wipes because the base that I'm living on, they have been sold out of the Johnson's hand and face wipes forever, so I'm just gonna have to make do with those. And then off to the side in the center here is a snack tower that has snacks for my daughter. Now you guys can see here in the Levy, you have 2 side slip pockets and then 2 slip pockets in the back of the bag. And I'm just gonna start with this side pocket right here. And there I have this little pouch, and inside are utensils and this Boone silicone lid for when we go out to eat, and also a matching straw to go with the Boone lid. Also in that pocket, I have this little pouch filled with a little bit of crayons for them to color. And then on this side elastic pocket over here, I have a pack of tissues. I also have 2 hand sanitizers in there and a small med kit. So there are a lot of Band-Aids in here, some gauze, Neosporin, Advil, and sunscreen. Now the 2 elastic pockets in the back of the bag, right over here, I have a Bum Genius wet bag and also a spare change of clothes. And this elastic pocket over here are my diapering things. So I have 2 diapers. I have a light change pad by Jujubee and Sakura Swirl, and also a wipes container here. This is just a Huggies one, and also a little extra baggie. So that is what the bag looks like empty. Really big, very spacious, a lot of internal organization, and a nice open space to work with. And of course, this extra mesh pocket up here that I really like. And that is how I have the Levy packed up and all of the different features of the bag. It's a really beautiful, lightweight bag. And you guys also see here is the Happ logo. It's a really beautiful emblem on there. I really think it's a nice touch to all of their bags. The one issue that I had with the Levy is that this front flap bends when I access this front pocket, and also when I'm undoing the main zipper of the bag. You guys see here how the flap is bending when I reach inside that pocket. There is already a crease in that flap. You guys can see here where it's bent and creased. That really made me sad because, like I said, this is my favorite part of the bag and it's already bent. And I guess I'm just worried that longer down the road that this flap won't stay flat and that eventually it'll start to curl, you know what I mean? So I'm just hoping that this part won't end up curling outwards over time. And even with that, I still do recommend this bag. I love it so much. This one snuck up on me and stole my heart. I did not expect to love it as much as I do. I really enjoy it. So I thank Happ so much for sending this over to me. I really appreciate it and am so grateful to be able to get to try out this bag. And that is my review of the Happ Levy backpack. If you guys had any questions at all, please leave them down below for me. And I will also be doing a review on the Paige Mini and Dusty Rose as well. So make sure you subscribe to be notified of future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.